You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this acronym and this syllable. It stands for quite a few different things and different syllables. There are different pronunciations in different languages. As an acronym, XA, as in factor 10A, which is from medicine biology. 10A is a different pronunciation. In different languages, it may be pronounced xa or za, or Chinese pronunciation, sha. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.